people them tell up on TikTok, this ya woman you not pronounce no blood clot name good. This ya woman no write no blood clot name good. I don't blood clot care. What about the people that will say Rose? What are people that say Rose? Just thinking not the blood clot. Rosealee, you can't conquer me. And me can't conquer you neither. Remember that. You understand? My uncle asked the ladies question. I'm still never finish asking you. I lay down on the big dirty broke down blood clot bed. You reach a stage where you can't hold nine miggle no more. You're on the blood clot edge. Out to drop out through the blood clot phone. Go. How it reach? Clot mouth Rosealee. People for laugh, boy, yeah. And if they don't give me nothing, they still blood clot laugh, dirty Rosealee. Because enough people on the blood clot, you're happy and happy, Rosealee. And they don't have no money for blood clot, give me. I'm still give them the blood clot joke and the blood clot fun. But at the same time, they make me happy, me make them blood clot happy without blood clot gift. Where it really go? Where it really go? You come talk about me need some followers. Go Rosealee, check it, man. Check it, big boy, y'all. Check it. When nobody not gonna give you no, remember so you know, I don't carry feelings and I have something when me born with it, and me as a pretty blood clot, big old man, me I give them girl some vibes. Me I give them blood clot gift to me. Me young one who say me I give them some vibes to go work with, back with them man. Where you have blood clot over bees? Eh? You come talk about say, first of all when girl come for you, your name Rosealee. Hey! They know a blood clot you. Because when they put Rose, you know, see you not say nothing, girl. You not say nothing. You not say nothing, girl. You not say nothing a blood clot. Move your dirty blood clot and go away. Any day them stop sell blood clot energy drink, you're dead. Pussy hole, I'm a fucker energy drink, I will kill your nasty dirty blood clot. Because where you not get no blood clot sleep, if there's no blood clot comfortable, you're not comfortable, you're not shit comfort blood clot table, you and drink pure blood clot Red Bull and Red clot energy drink for keep up to tell people say, shoot guys, you see me I tell a blood clot body for shoot. You see me I tell nobody for blood clot shoot. Eh? You see me I tell nobody for blood clot shoot. You see them people that we are saying you give me can't even class them certain blood clot because they're in a better clot. Just on yam. You don't even have the courtesy for just hold on your head and go When you have pain first, I'm gonna make you have train you and then your blood clot come out. You dirty nasty, dirty blood clot you. Yeah, your blood clot, you. Some of the people that we are tap up and still about talk blood clot bad comment about me. And some of the people that we are gift you and I talk about blood clot bad comment about me. But still now go burn more certain way. But them stood on pussy hole and wait for you for blood clot dead and a laugh after you. Then you can just throw anything here and you just do certain blood clot thing. But at the end of the blood clot day, you need to tell them to send you a blood clot gym. You're not going to get back your blood clot shit, but make them send you a blood clot gym. Because you see when it comes to blood clot, yes, Rosealee, look there. Look there, Rosealee. Look there, look there. Look there, Rosealee. Clean as a blood clot whistle, Rosealee. Look there. Rosealee, I wish we could have flick out them and show you. You can't chat to me. You can't chat to blood clot me, Rosealee. What's that you know for them, man? You can't buy them, man. You think I don't town them buy? Rosalie, what you have to accommodate? If a blood clot followers know. Remember I live on TikTok, you know. So if it's a follower, go suck out your mama thinking dirty blood clot. No kiss not eat body. Go suck me like a lollipop. Okay. What that? Kidding see me, can suck me like a lollipop and juice me out like when you squeeze out blood clot salad before you cut up in. Go kiss your teeth straight on the blood clot. Rosalie thinking you fly pussy. Dirty nasty orange salt. Anything bad in me I go dip up and down on dirty blood clot. Your dirty blood clot. Remember saying no, I can't cuss the whole blood clot. Because remember saying no, the followers say, a 40 blood clot days and 40 night. So start check big hole. Big young hole start check. Dirty blood clot. Because remember saying no make nothing bad at me. Because when I come off of this blood clot, I laugh after a whole out of dirty blood clot, you know. You understand when me a blood clot say? Dirty sour Rosalee me a chat to. And if you ever cross it, when me head just blood clot chip, and me feel like I want to remember something and just want to class any blood clot body, but just class up with a dirty blood clot. Because at the end of the blood clot, you see, if me never have nothing, I would have class in serious, but me have my bucket even at this blood clot. The class and I show no. So I have nothing over blood clot me. I me never fuck none on a blood clot, man. I never fuck for me blood clot, man, neither. Man, I ask you, me a blood clot tell you. Come talk about you love jack up over this, and you love jack up over this. You have blood clot fridge, you have any SETI, you have any good blood clot dress off a jack up. Hey, you know what is blood clot jack up, girl? Where you have a blood clot jack up pan? You never have a blood clot sink. So where you have jack up pan? Can floor and a blood clot jack up. You talk about blood clot dress and blood clot tie. And blood clot. Look here, in the island, every blood clot. What really blood clot? What dirty Rosalie? How it go? Rosalie, in your room, think. In your room, think, no blood clot. No ear, no blood clot in the think, Rosalie. Rosalie, in your blood clot room, stink. Rosalie, every minute of the Cannot son now catch your blood clot body. So you piss pan that blood clot cheer. Dirty blood clot, Rosalie. 40 blood clot days and 40 nights. You don't have to call me blood clot name not so cool. Girl. Kentucky fuck girl, you don't have to call me blood clot name. You know. And that me I tell you. You don't have to call me blood clot name because the blood clot people then must. A blood clot me. Anyone I don't call me. Know they know say blood clot me. Mona blood clot because they know say I feel me blood clot mouth. Have it mouth on this blood clot here. Because I found them out and act like a blood clot for me. Because I see them tracing the take and tell. The one day I see them trace, they going to take like when I steal no blood clot. For me trace them just different than blood clot unique. But you earn $300 blood clot dollar. What did I earn? You know what I earn? I might not get to gift them like blood clot, you want me tell you what I earn. I earn the people them of blood clot TikTok no reality. I know me a split blood clot shoot. And that's what I want to earn. Especially if me know some me a split justice of what I'm talking about. Rosealee, go wash your sour pussy. Rosealee, go take your blood clot shimmy for under the blood clot bed. And go wash out it blood clot. Rosealee, you might say other people up on blood clot TikTok. We don't know. No. And Rosealee, let me tell you if I know, Rosealee not trouble me. Rosealee never blood clot trouble me. And me blood clot trouble Rosealee as a blood clot clean woman. As a blood clot big dirty clean woman like blood clot me. And me blood clot trouble. Because every blood clot time I watch Rosealee. But you girl, sometimes I got blood clot 9 night by 3 o'clock in the day. And when me come back 2 o'clock in the blood clot, man, Rosealee the pan blood clot TikTok. And Rosealee blood clot for in her phone. So, and the bed in her blood clot phone. So me see something for blood clot but some me blood clot but I'm in trouble and me nah blood clot in it. Till 40 blood clot and 40 blood clot night. Cause Rosealee can't cramp me. Rosealee can't blood clot. Cramp me, I tell you no. She can't cramp me. It take one blood clot girl when you are blood clot words like me if you come blood clot cramp me, Rosealee. Rosealee, me see her dance with the girl who look like blood clot Britney. Rosealee. And all me see you do, Rosealee, I go so, and you start run out of blood clot breath, Rosealee. You can't tell me blood clot nothing. And me I said to myself, say, I come make me comment and tell her to take it out the boot and put over your blood clot nose and get some blood clot ear. Boy, I cocky this and cocky this and cocky this. No boy ever suck your blood clot to no, Rosealee. No boy ever suck your blood clot to because your whole of your fat then cover your blood clot too. There's nothing nice about blood clot, you, Rosealee. And the only blood clot hairstyle, you know, say, better stand good for you. And when you wrap up your ear, blood clot up, you want to feel clothes. And that time you look like the blood clot gorilla them. My heart for your dirty blood clot. Your followers, they hate you. Your followers, they hate you and Britney a blood clot. Britney goodness and ride your dirty blood clot. Rosealee, you go come down. You go come down. You know why you go blood clot come down, Rosealee? Dear God, forgive me for saying this thing, but I have to say it to her. You have to go come down. You know why you go blood clot come down, Rosealee? Britney was the blood clot top one. And you got blood clot St. Thomas, the blood clot Britney. And got blood clot Britney and come back and tell Britney say if you cut him blood clot short and blood clot dead. Rosealee, a fear short I go cut soon. A fear short I go cut soon, Rosealee. I say if you not cut soon, Rosealee, I write pan the blood clot. I write pan the blood clot bed. You are dead. Your followers, they will kill you off right pan the blood clot bed, Rosealee. And right there, so them a blood clot kill you off. Because you sit down and feel like say you're healthy. You think you're healthy, girl. You don't healthy. You don't healthy. When you don't healthy. And not every food we cook a blood clot restaurant you name. And Rosealee, you name 9 days a blood clot week. During the morning a blood clot restaurant. And afternoon, remember say 4 food you have to buy. Because you have to buy if you pick the name of your blood clot, man, Rosealee. You don't healthy. You don't blood clot healthy, Rosealee. You have a lot of blood clot health issue. You have a lot of health issue. So when you feel like you get this, I'm not empty. Rosealee, me I get one of my garbage bin. Make you one of my blood clot garbage bin, Rosealee. I can't put it on the table because you know it's coming from the bathroom. Rosealee, I want me garbage bin me a blood clot here. You know how expensive this is, Rosealee. I want me a blood clot here, Rosealee, to put right on your blood clot bedside. So when you drink the blood clot supplement and I go fart up a blood clot, man, and name the biscuit you don't have to go so. And then you give a blood clot towel. So if you eat one biscuit and nothing wrong with you eating a biscuit in the blood clot bed, but when you go eat and have something on the bed to blood clot, accommodate the crumbs them. And then when you blood clot, you just go so. And so take up your hole. So take up a big dirty hole. Everything depend you to blood clot. Gingy fly under your hands under you to blood clot. Or your man see under the blood clot you.